I'm going to do a quick vacuum review for this Power Force Helix Turbo Bissell vacuum. It's a pretty good vacuum that I like to use whenever I'm cleaning up my pets, after my pets, like say guinea pigs, chinchillas, hamsters, that sort of thing. You want something that's high powered, even though it doesn't say pet vacuum on it, it still could be used as a pet vacuum. Removing this thing here will help ensure that it works a lot better for picking up hay and that sort of thing. So you see this piece here that usually the brush will go on, it will sit there, it falls off, the little hooks that goes in there doesn't stay in there, so after a while of just moving the vacuum around, sweeping, this little piece will fall off, it will fall on the floor. Even the hooks, I even glued it at one point in time, but eventually when you're running the vacuum it will eventually fall off, so I just took that piece off. And another point of this vacuum is this piece here. Eventually this part will wear away from continued cleaning. It will actually fall off. See, I'm just having this in just for the video, but normally this thing, if I turn the sweeper on now, this thing will blow right off. But even though, that being said, with it not working that great with some of these parts, but the thing about this vacuum is it does sweep pretty good. It has a lot better suction and it's less prone to clogging compared to the other vacuum, the pet vacuum for Bissell, that I'll be doing a review on too, because I have one of those vacuums. And as you can see from the video demonstration of how well this vacuum works whenever you clean up after pets and everything, that it does a great job of cleaning up after the pets. One thing I like about this vacuum is it has a thicker area to get out a clog if you do get a clog. And like a lot of sweep vacuums still have a bend in this area instead of being like this. That's why I like this vacuum. There's no bend here, there's no point where that stuff could get clogged in there, especially if you're picking up animal fur, chinchilla fur, dog fur, or the insides of animal cages, whether it be pellets or droppings or hay, that sort of thing. So if you're looking for a vacuum, I'd get this vacuum and do the modify like I showed in the other video of it working well. This is a vacuum I would suggest if you do have pets and animals. So if you can find this vacuum anywhere, since this is an older version of a vacuum, this is like the 2011 model, I think. This turbo brush on this vacuum, it doesn't have long life on it. I'd only use it for things that only has a little bit of hair and stuff like that on it. I wouldn't do any deep cleaning with it. This vacuum doesn't deep clean like the other Bissell vacuum does. So if you want a deep clean, I'd go with the pet vacuum of the Bissell. That not only does deep cleaning, but smells decent because it puts like a freshener into the air. It lasts a long time. But if you want to do some heavy duty cleaning, not have to worry about a sweeper clogging, I'd go with the Bissell Power Force vacuum. One thing though I like to mention is that this cord is not very sturdy. Eventually you'll end up having, if you accidentally run over the cord at any point in time, you'll have to tape up the cord. So I'm sorry about the video if you can hear my dog snoring in the background. But yeah, like I was just showing you here, there's like a lot of points on this vacuum where I had to tape it up. Pretty much, you know, it was my fault though, even though like you would think that the sweeper would be able to run over it like once or twice or on the corner of the vacuum and it would be fine, but not in this case.